Hi traders, it's Roberto. This is June 13th on Thursday, and we have a few setups on the yen pairs. And let me just go over the analysis because I'm looking at all the yen crosses and they all look the same. It's just like the pound New Zealand, pound Aussie, pound New Zealand, euro New Zealand. Remember, we took all those trades, we got in way too early. And it was a bit scary. We were down about 80 pips, but it eventually turning our direction. We ended up with what, 200, 250 pips on each pair. I see the same thing on the yen pairs. Let me just go over the analysis. Price, we're looking at pound yen. This candle's not finished yet, but this is a long wick, and this candle's going to close in essentially is about an hour. And what I'd like to wait for is some sort of retracement because this price has gone up so much in the past hour, about 180 pips. So I'm going to wait for some sort of retracement. And how do I do that? Well, usually I draw a fib from the bottom to the top, and these are the retracement levels: 38, 50%, 61% retracement level. Anywhere around here would be a great entry to buy. And then I'm targeting at least 200 pips on each of these pairs. So that's pound yen. The other one, and the one I really like because it's starting to go up already, is New Zealand yen. And again, it mirrors the yen, the pound yen. Long wick, small body, larger than the previous candle, qualifies. And let's see if when this candle closes in about an hour and a half, if we get some sort of retracement and gives us an opportunity to buy. This is also a false break. This is the previous support. But actually, if you take the body of the previous 2 days, and that was the support level, and then we had a false break here. I don't know if you can see this clearly. So this whole area of support, price tried to penetrate that level, but failed. Hence, we have a false break. So usually, when you have a false break, you buy at the next candle. But we may have some sort of retracement. I'm going to wait for the retracement is finished before entering a trade. Okay. The other pair is euro yen. Same thing. We have price breaking the previous support, failed, closing above the support. So we have this nice exhaustion candle, long wick at a previous support. So there's many reasons to take these trades. We've got support all the way back here from, unless you can't see that day, April 11th, and price is just rejecting those levels, giving us a nice clear signal to buy. Now the interesting thing about it, it's at the end of a week, so we normally take a trade, a counter trend trade anyway, from Sunday to Monday. So this is a great setup for that Sunday to Monday and Forex Friday setup. So I'm going to wait for a little bit of retracement, take the trade, head north. Hopefully we can make 200 or 300 pips on this trade before it finds, resistance and heads back down again, because essentially we're in a downtrend. This is just a counter trend trade based on the 1 hour, on the daily candle. Okay, so wait for my update on the entries. If you don't want to wait, if you want to go ahead and take the trade, that's fine. Just make sure that your stop loss is below the swing point. And I have, here's the Australian yen, and doesn't look as great, but it is a color change candle, and we're looking for a retracement before we buy. Okay, these are counter trend trades. Hopefully they'll last. They'll go through Sunday, Monday retracement, and then we can get out on Tuesday. Okay. Tomorrow we meet at 5 a.m. Eastern. We have a 4-hour webinar, and we close at 9 a.m. And then next week I'm on vacation, so we only have Monday and Tuesday webinar in the morning. No evening sessions, but I will update everyone, sending emails with videos on any possible trade setups that I may see. Okay, so thanks for watching the webinar. See everyone tomorrow at 5 a.m. and have a good weekend.